In the world of real estate, a sentiment score of -0.30 is raising eyebrows. This is well below the historical baseline, indicating significant pessimism among stakeholders. Coupled with a momentum of +0.28, we see a surprising contrast. While sentiment is negative, activity is still on the rise. Our API analyzes this sentiment and returns insights across 19 semantic clusters, allowing you to pinpoint exactly where the concerns lie, whether it's pricing, market conditions, or buyer confidence. Imagine you're developing a tool to alert clients about potential risks based on these sentiment shifts. By integrating our Real Estate Sentiment API, you can offer real-time updates that help your users make informed decisions despite the prevailing negativity. Dive deeper into the data at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.